offered the chance to go to the big lunch extras in Cornwall. It was so exciting, and I felt very privileged to go there. The people that you meet on that 4 days, they were just so diverse in the work they were doing for the community, and very, very humbling experience.
I often talk about Liz Duffy and say that I wish I could clone Liz Duffy and have lots of her throughout Carmarthenshire. But actually the Liz Duffy that came back from the big lunch extras was somebody that was dynamite.
Last year I helped Liz to organise a big lunch in a local sheltered housing accommodation. It was a lot smaller affair. Liz went off to the Eden project for the big lunch extras, and she came back with plans that were massive.
The change was I was ready to stand up and take responsibility. I was always wanting to be a part of a group, and you can't do it alone. You need a team. But when I was in Eden and I saw people doing small things and then them leading to such bigger things and meaning much more to the community, I thought, well, why can't I do that? It's only my own inner reject that's saying, you can't do that. And I said, no, that's not going to happen. I'm going to stand up and do this. I channeled all that energy into actually hiring the local park and getting about 30 groups involved and having a fire walk.
Gives all the time, never asks for anything, and so walking a fire today is really the least I can do for her. She's an amazing woman.
Not only is she hardworking and enthusiastic, but she's extremely persuasive as well, and that's one of the reasons why I'll be doing the fire walk later on today.
I wanted it to be a free event, and I want everybody to bring their resources and share their resources. I wanted everybody in Carmarthenshire to know these are our resources and we can use them, we can access them for free. We had people just phoning me and saying, can I join in there, can I bring something, can I do a game or an activity? And it was raising everybody's profile, and they might volunteer subsequently for that particular charity or want to do something for that charity.
Everybody have some fun!
Woo! We don't have enough fun, and I just want to create more fun in my own community, and that's carrying on because I'm already making plans for in a couple of months' time. I'm going to put on a week of events for Older Persons Day, and I've started making the contacts, and I think being at Eden, I lost the fear.